Hello learner, today's topic is third part of correlation where we are learning XPaths. So this is Apache website and I will use here how to add post processor, and you will find XPath Extractor, and we are going to check on the main sampler. We will create our, let's open website Apache, and we are going for the license. So how to do this? Go to inspect network, element, double slash, we will go ahead with various license, spect a text. So this is, you can see this part from A to A in this XPath we get it. So let's go to JMeter and we will paste our XPath query and give name as license, default value null. And to see these things, add sampler, debug sampler. In debug sampler we can see this. So let's clear result and start executing. So go to the debugger sampler and license. You can see this variable, we are getting the value of license here and we can use it. So this is a way XPath extractor is working. You can get that title also. Go to the post processor and here we need to XPath extractor, use name t. So simple way which we use in Selenium. So same way we can use it. Save those, clear. In debug sampler we have one variable name as title, and this is Apache geometry what we are using here, which is similar to this. So that's it from today. Thank you. Happy learning.